Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix camera error 0xA00F4271 code on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the camera error on your laptop, or if you are using any external web camera on your desktop, if you are seeing the error 0xA00F4271 code, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this I will show you 3 to 4 steps. You can try all this and you can fix your issue. The first step is you just need to click on this search menu, then type here troubleshoot. You can see here troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot settings. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find camera. You just need to click on this run. And it will start to troubleshoot if there is any issue with your camera, and it will fixes automatically. After that, still you are facing the issue, then you have to open your device manager, right click on that, start menu, then click on device manager. Here you have to find your camera. You can see this is my camera. You just need to right click on that, once disable and enable it again. After that, you can see here you will find another option, update driver. Click on this update driver, click on search, automatically click for the drivers. You have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. If this option doesn't work, then go back. You will find second option, browse my computer for the available drivers. You can see here, let me pick list of available drivers from my computer. Click on this, select your driver, click on next, then close this window. Then close this window. After trying both these options, still you are facing the issue, then you can go for your Windows update. Click on start menu, click on settings. You can see Windows update, click on this. If there is any update pending for your Windows, you can update it from here. After updating your Windows, close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, still you are facing the issue, and the last and final method is you just need to click on the start menu, click on settings. In left side you will find apps. Click on the apps, click on apps and features. In this list you need to find camera. In this you need to scroll down, you will find camera. Click on this 3 dot, click on advanced option, scroll down. Here you will find first repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Click on repair. If this option doesn't work, you will find second option, reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If this doesn't work, you can try to reset it. Reset it again and close this window. After completion of this, you have to restart it again. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix camera error 0xA00F4271 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.